Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see the volume number in TradingView. First, let's look at the data window. This is the best method if you want precise values for specific candles. Open your chart on TradingView. On the right side of the screen, you will see a vertical panel. Click on the icon that looks like a stack of squares. This opens the Object Tree and Data Window panel. Then select the Data Window tab. Now move your mouse over any candle on the chart. As you hover over a candle, the data window will show detailed information for that specific period. In the list, you will see a line labeled volume. Next to it, you will see the exact volume number for that candle. The second method is using the chart legend in the upper left corner. Make sure you have the volume indicator added to your chart. If not, click Indicators, search for volume, and add it. Once it is active, move your cursor over any candle. In the upper left corner, near the symbol name and OHLC values, you will see vol followed by a number. That number changes as you move across candles. The third method is volume profile. This shows volume by price instead of time. Go to Indicators, then Technicals, then Profiles. Select Visible Range Volume Profile or Fixed Range Volume Profile. This will display volume levels directly on the price scale. Thanks for watching.